Thanks for coming in heavy rain. And before doing this presentation, just I am sharing the reason for getting the Bombay High Court directions for updating the detail on the website of the railways about the missing person. In year 2005-6, I was involved in railway issues, helping people. You are all aware that in Mumbai, 75 lakh passengers travel by suburban train to go to office and office to home. For example, someone travel from Virar to Churchgate. His daily timing is to go back home is 9 o'clock in the evening. If he not reach by 9, family will wait till 10. After 10, they try to calling the mobile phone. If mobile is switch off, not answerable, only ringing. Then they start calling the office staff. The staff say, yeah, we were at Churchgate station and I get the Andheri train and he's supposed to get the Virar train. Then people start fearing that something maybe go wrong. Then after 11, 12, the relatives started approach the station masters, the railway police stations at Churchgate, Dadar, Bandra. Normally what they suggest, okay, go to hospital. There are government hospital. For example, Bandra, there is the Bhabha hospital. Bhabha hospital is 500 bed. There are various wards. The head injury, so the patient admit to the neurosurgery ward. The unconscious, so admitted to ICU. Fracture, there is orthopedic ward. So they search entire night. Then sometimes also some people suggest, okay, go and check in the mortuary, the मुर्दाघर. अननोन होगा, पैकेट नहीं मिला होगा कि डेथ होके उसमें मिलेगा. वहाँ भी मैं लोगों के साथ रात को गया हूँ. क्योंकि रिलेटिव्स का जो हाल देखा है, तो मैंने बॉम्बे हाईकोर्ट में प्रेयर किया कि रेलवे का ऑलरेडी वेबसाइट है. जो भी इंजर्ड होते हैं रेलवे प्रीमाइसिस में, वो हर स्टेशन मास्टर इन बिटवीन टू स्टेशन और द स्टेशन कोई मेमो बनता है, एक कंट्रोल वॉकी टॉकी कंट्रोल रूम का उनके पास है. तो वेबसाइट पे इमीडिएट नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, एज, nature of the injury, name of the police constable who transported that victim injured from station to the hospital, and हॉस्पिटल के नाम वगैरह आप अपडेट करो तो कोई कहीं से भी उसको इजीली सर्च कर पाएगा. बॉम्बे हाईकोर्ट ने 2009 में डायरेक्शंस दिए. वो डायरेक्शंस को रेलवे मिनिस्ट्री ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अपील किया कि हमको नहीं करना है. 2 साल सुप्रीम कोर्ट में फाइट किया एंड फाइनली भी, क्योंकि उस पर कुछ खर्चा तो नहीं था गवर्नमेंट को, वेबसाइट भी है, सब कुछ है, और वो अपडेट होना स्टार्ट हुआ. तो अभी रेलवेज की 3 जगह पे है. एक वेस्टर्न रेलवे की वेबसाइट है, इट कवर्स द मुंबई सेक्शन ऑफ वेस्टर्न लाइन फ्रॉम चर्चगेट टू दानू. सेंट्रल लाइन एंड हार्बर लाइन का सेंट्रल रेलवे की वेबसाइट पे है. एंड गवर्नमेंट रेलवे पुलिस ने अपने आप उनकी भी वेबसाइट स्टार्ट किया है. इट्स हेल्प वेरी वेल टू द पीपल. जस्ट उसका आपको बताना चाहूँगा. 2008 का पिटीशन थी जिसमें पैराग्राफ 6J में ये डायरेक्शन है जो आप 4 लाइन देख रहे हो. रेलवे का खुद का वेबसाइट है. इमीडिएटली ऑन नोइंग ऑफ द एक्सीडेंट दे शेल पुट द वेबसाइट नेम of the victim along with the nature of accident and place of which the victim has been taken, and necessary photograph will be published. Sometimes what happen, person fall from train, pocket mobile missed and is unconscious or died, then identify the person who is he. So if they publish the photograph also, so it will be easy for their family member and relatives. This is the Western Railway website. The third one is the Mumbai Suburban. Then Mumbai Suburban accident details. Then you will see the date wise. The place is the Dadar DDR. NIG Naigaon. Next is the full form of the station. UKM is unknown male, unknown female. Type of injury major. For detail click here. You will get more detail. Yeah. These are the details. The date and time of incident and the location, platform number 4, injured, unknown, female, 25 years, first aid entered, yes, mode of transport ambulance, then amount spent 400, would GRP constable the buckle number, तो आप लिखेंगे Jadhav, तो there are 10 Jadhav. Now the Sodh is going to present as the government level police representative, the police constable Vijay. He is the police staff and he is very good in this work. And he from his heart cutting the time limit, दिन रात काम करके उससे इसको डेवलप किया है, वो आपको आगे बताएंगे. Thanks.
So Samir, thank you very much, and thanks for putting. I'm sure you have a lot of interaction later on. And we now invite Mr. Doble to. But before your presentation, can we show the little film that you gave us? Okay, wonderful. Okay, the key thing for you to look at here is the website's name, missingpeopleinfo.com. Mr. Doble is going to talk about all the points which were here, so you don't have to worry about what you missed. And those of you who want this little clip, please write to foundation@moneylife.in and we will send it to all of you. Right? With these few words, may I invite Mr. Doble, our key speaker, to come today.
नमस्कार. सबसे पहले तो मैं वो कन्फेस करना चाहता हूँ आप सब लोग के आगे सामने, आई एम नॉट ए गुड स्पीकर बिकॉज पूरा सर्विस में तो हाथ पैर चलाए हैं, अभी तो मुंह चलाना पड़ता है. सो देखिए दैट टुडे आवर इशू इज लिमिटेड, दैट द पुलिस एंड यू and we have to work together so far the missing people are concerned. So what happens when a person goes missing? जिसके घर में कोई भी बच्चा, लड़की, लड़का, बड़ा आदमी मिसिंग हो जाता है, so they start searching for the missing person in the area from where he is reported missing. Then सबके पास में इंक्वायरी करने के बाद में अगर वो कहीं नहीं मिला तो the person has to go to the police station for reporting the missing. police station मध्ये गेल्यानंतर कोण आहे, काय नाव आहे, किती वय आहे, कुठून गेला, का गेला, कधी गेला, number of questions will be asked to you. So that photograph है उसका, नहीं है, क्या है, so many things. So what the police do when you go to the police station for reporting somebody missing? So they just get all the information related to the missing person, including his name, age, then his description, then his clothes, whatever clothes he is wearing at the time of while missing, and then at the last stage they ask for the photograph. अभी फोटोग्राफ आपके पास में कौन सा होगा वो तो मतलब नहीं. So the photographs must be of in the group. So it must be of old time must have been clicked during the night, must have been clicked during the day, or whatever it is. जो भी फोटो आपके पास में अवेलेबल है वो पुलिस को देते हो. What the police do? So they have got a diary. So that is called a station diary, where they mention everything about his missing. Second stage, they do make an entry into the missing person register. Then thereafter they publish or broadcast the wireless message that this person, name and description, is reported missing at this police station at this time. This broadcast reaches to the other police station for information that somebody is reported missing. Thereafter, they send this information to the Missing Person Bureau or the control room for publishing it on the next day in the police notice. Police notice, उसको पुलिस परिपत्रक या because that Bombay police or all the police station, all the police heads, they are publishing the police notice, including all information like transfers, then the crimes reported, and then including missing people or the lost items. So that is police notice. So that is published, and then that notice goes to the all police station on the next day. So these all police people are supposed to read this notice and find out what is happening in our area, in our city, in our metropolis, whatever it is. But the police don't have any mechanism for tracing the missing people. एक बार कंप्लेंट तो रजिस्टर कर देते हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद उनको ढूंढने के लिए ऐसा कोई मैकेनिज्म नहीं है पुलिस के पास. कहाँ ढूंढेंगे? पोलीस स्टेशन मध्ये कंप्लेंट केल्यानंतर त्याला शोधण्यासाठी काही सिस्टीम नाही आहे. असे कितीतरी लोक मिसिंग रिपोर्ट होतात. सोशल सर्व्हिस ब्रांच नंतर कमिशनर ऑफ पोलीस मुंबई यांनी मला विचारलं की तुम्हाला आता कुठे जायचंय? मी सांगितलं मला मिसिंग पर्सन ब्युरोमध्ये जायचं. ते बोलले का? तिकडे पण आता क्रांती करायची आहे का? Why I requested him to post me into the missing person bureau. When I was posted in the social service branch, with the help of the staff, policemen, officers, I could rescue more than 1,300 girls from all these immoral activities. I helped them to send to their parents. Considering this, so many people from our surrounding areas like Thane, Navi Mumbai, Mira Road, Bhayandar or Mumbai, they started approaching me with request कि साहब हमारी लड़की या लड़का मिसिंग हुआ है, हो सकता है कि वो आपको कहीं बार में या कोई और जहाँ इमोरल एक्टिविटीज हैं या जहाँ इलीगल एक्टिविटीज चलते हैं ऐसी जगह पे मिलने की संभावना है. लेकिन इतना ढूंढने के बाद भी अगर नहीं मिलता है तो हो सकता है कि वो बम्बई के बाहर चला गया होगा या होगी. I would like to tell you the people those who are approaching me with this particular request, उनके आवाज में, उनके जो नरेट करते थे स्टोरी या जो भी है उसमें जो दर्द भरा हुआ था या होता था वो सुन के मतलब मैं आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन यू कि क्या तकलीफ है उनके दिल में. हम हम लोग ऑफिस जाने के लिए अगर सुबह निकलते हैं और पेन अगर नहीं जगह पे मिला तो घर में सबको पूछते हैं, ड्रॉवर्स देखते हैं, कहीं नहीं ऐसी जगह जहाँ ढूंढने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं। लेकिन अगर कोई बच्चा गुम होता होगा तो उसके माँ बाप के दिल में क्या तकलीफ होती होगी हम सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं। हमारा बच्चा 1 घंटा स्कूल से अगर लेट आता है तो हमारा जान ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है। तब हमको पता चलता है कि जिनके ऊपर ये नौबत आई होगी, जिनका बच्चा मिसिंग हुआ होगा, उसको क्या तकलीफ होगी। ठीक है। After my posting in Missing Person Bureau, I started collecting information. How many people are reported missing in Mumbai? So there are about 9900 police stations in Mumbai, and we have started collecting the information of all these people, and it was more than 17,000 for the past 5 years. One fine morning, we have noticed in the newspaper that the Honorable High Court is coming very heavily against the police for not tracing the missing people. Even the DGs and chief secretaries of some states were called in the court to explain what procedure you are following after the child is reported missing to you. So वही बताया गया जो प्रोसीजर हमने आपको अभी बताया। डायरी करते हैं, रजिस्टर में एंट्री करते हैं, पुलिस नोटिस करते हैं। Then the court asked him, if your child was missing, whether you will follow this procedure and go to sleep. That's not enough. That's not enough. And no mechanism. So what to do? On the day of election here in Mumbai, so we have received an information that somebody, some couple, a Muslim couple from Srinagar, have posted a photograph of a small girl aged about 5 years. That this girl was found outside the masjid. She is begging. On being asked her name, she is giving her name as A, and the place is Bandra. Besides that, she is not in position to give any type of information. So considering this, Bandra is from Mumbai. So we started searching for the record of Mumbai police for 1 year. We couldn't come across of such a complaint, and then personally Bandra, that means the Kherwadi, Bandra, Nirmal Nagar, Bikisi, these all 4-5 police stations belongs to Bandra. So we started searching the record of for 2 years, and finally at Nirmal Nagar we noticed that one girl by name A is reported missing before 1.5 years when she was 4 years old. I reported the same to the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Maria. He was so nice. He asked me to fly to the Srinagar immediately, that is during night. I searched for the parents. I noticed that the mother of the girl is a homemaid. The father of her mother, that is her Nana, he is a rickshaw driver, and the father comes to home after fortnightly, was doing the painting work, pity painting work or whatever it is. I took that old man, rickshaw driver. Then by morning 7 o'clock I was in Srinagar. I contacted the couple who had posted that photograph on the Facebook. called them to the police station along with the girl. That girl identified her Nana. All the procedure at the police station were followed. Then I took her to the hospital. The hospital was ransacked because of that flood in Srinagar. And the doctor was so nice. He appointed members for doing the test. And then finally, I was the happiest person in Srinagar on that day, finding that the girl was safe. I brought her by evening flight to Mumbai. The girl was dancing in the flight. That air hostess came, so please take care of the girl. Bola ghamre, nacho de dila. So because now see the joy, the happiness on the face of that old man. So that was observed by me. So what is the happiness? This is the ultimate happiness you can't get in these all petties and cokas and nothing. After coming here, I approached the Commissioner of Police. Requested him कि सर बॉम्बे में इतने 17,000 लोग मिसिंग है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट वेरी हेवीली आ रहे हैं, and one fine morning there are chances that we may call in the court to explain what we are doing. So he realized the seriousness of this. Then he asked me कि वसंत, tell me हम क्या कर सकते हैं. Plus sir, give me the staff. So he was so nice to appoint 2 constables from one for each police station along with 1 officer. So I got the staff of 100 police officers and 200 constables. And we started searching for the people. We took all the information, their relatives, their friends, their phone numbers, all. And the drive was taken up for initially for 3 months, and then we could trace more than 3,000 people in the 3 months. The same drive was continued for 6 months, next 3 months, and then we could achieve the target of 7,000. And it was to be further extended, but I got retired. So after retirement, what to do? I was just thinking, considering the photographs on the Facebook and tracing the girl in the Srinagar, so some technical development will help us. So I discussed this issue with Mr. Rajesh and our other friends like Milind and Avarch and all that, and started developing one website. So finally we developed this missingpeopleinfo.com. So missingpeopleinfo.com, this is working on the basis of face recognition technology. So that how this technology works, that we have a form on the website. I want help. So this, the police station, name of the police station, the complaint number, that is a mandatory. Because after receiving the complaint on this, we are just calling back, cross-checking with the police station whether this complaint of missing is registered, reported to them or not. If it is that is reported, then we are just putting this information on server for as a data. At the same time, we are requesting the member of public, the NGOs, or the employees of some corporate sectors by circulating inner circular to join this mission. What they have to do, they have to just find out the children, those who are begging on the road, because begging on the road, those who are used as child laborers, and those who are getting stranded on the road. Because ये जो बेगिंग का जो बिजनेस है बॉम्बे में, दैट इज 100 करोड़ पर एनम. देयर आर रैकेट्स. हम लोग बिजनेसमैन खुद को बोलते हैं, हम कुछ नहीं. दैट वेयर वो कंसिडरिंग कि हम 50 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया, 100 करोड़ का किया, नथिंग डूइंग. बेगिंग विदाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट, just to pick up some children, use them for begging and earn money. There are the rackets. Those who are the rackets, they are working in different or various stages. So there are the people, those who are picking up the children from the various states, remote places, West Bengal, Calcutta, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and the rural place of Maharashtra and all that. They are bringing these children or sending these children to the various cities. The business of the begging is not in rural places, it is in Maharashtra, in the cities. So the person or child picked up from some area, so they are distributing them. Some of the children are sent to Mumbai, Calcutta, Delhi, Bangalore, like this. We have also noticed that the children are brought to Mumbai under the pretext of giving them a good life by offering them some jobs, by admitting them to some good schools or madrasas, then giving them the technical or this industrial education, so he can earn on his own. But while conducting raids in some of these jhoppadpattis or the small scale industries, we have noticed so many children are getting hired by these all small scale industries people. That is a hazardous industries where small children are required at the low cost. They are accommodating them in numbers 10, 15 and a small room like 10 by 10, asking them to stay there, take a bath, sleep there. By 8 o'clock in the morning they have to start work. They are not supposed to go out of that place. So, like they are treated like a bonded labor, no education, no hygiene, nothing. We could rescue more than 400 children below the age of 14. Then we send them to the children home, from where under the supervision of CWC, the Child Welfare Committee, so that we could take the parents and send them back. Some of the cases, the girls rescued from this red light area, so they were not ready to go to their respective parents. पूछा क्यों नहीं जाने का आपको? नहीं, ये हमारे माँ बाप ने ही हमको इसमें ढकेल दिया है. When I was raiding the places in red light areas and rescuing the girls, that I have arrested more than 4 mothers. Those who had been to the places for selling out their own girls. Very bad. अभी वो considering the lady and their ages, I couldn't physically harm them, but नहीं रह जा सकता था ये सब देख के. Then the girls, those who refused to go, their parents, I have been to the rescue homes, interrogated them, मैंने encouraged with them कि आप क्या चाहते हैं. और कहते थे कि साहब हमें भी लगता था हमारा भी घरदार हुए, बच्चे हुए, ये हुए. Then with the help of this rescue homes, I started searching for room. उनके लिए मतलब हस्बैंड्स ढूंढ लिए. गोरेगांव और अदर एरिया से जो इंडस्ट्रियल फ्रेंड्स थे उनको अप्रोच किए और बताया कि देखिए भैया, बाय मॉर्निंग हमको उतना 10-12 लाख रुपया चाहिए. कई के लिए चाहिए? बच्चे लोग को शादी करने का. अरे किसके बच्चे हैं? बच्चे हमारे बच्चे. I collected money, took the girls, the boys to the Palghar and got them married. That is in 2013. आज मैं इतना खुश हूँ कि उनका कन्यादान भी हमने किया था और मैं आज 9 बच्चों का दादा हूँ. So what we have to do now? This is, I am telling you the stories because this is very heartbreaking stories we are coming across. A girl reported missing at Dharavi. स्कूल में 6th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ती हुई बच्ची मिसिंग हो गई. 3-4 महीने के बाद में ड्यूरिंग दिस दिवाली हॉलीडेज, one of her classmate was going to her mama's place in Mulund. So she saw that my classmate is begging on the road at Mulund. She approached her. ये तू क्या करती है? तू स्कूल में नहीं आती है, इधर ये सब भीख मांग रही है, ये सब क्या हो रहा है? तो तू भाग यहाँ से, ये लोग पकड़ेंगे तेरे को भी और डाल देंगे इसमें. वो वहाँ से निकल गई. Then she went to home, took her father to the police station कि मेरी क्लासमेट वहाँ है, भीख मांग रही है, कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है उसके साथ में, चलो मेरे साथ. He was not ready कि क्यों पुलिस का झंझट. चुप है. बोले नहीं, आप नहीं आएंगे तो मैं ही जाऊंगी. So finally that father had to accompany her to the police station. They reported the matter there. The police accompanied them to the spot and found that the girl was begging there. उसको पकड़ा, पूछा ये क्या है? Why you doing this? वो जो कॉर्नर में लेडी बैठी है ना, वो साहब हमसे करवाती है. So इसके पीछे बोलने का ये है मकसद हमारा कि if the children can take initiative for tracing these people and bringing them to the house to bring them to the parents, we can very well do it. हम तो समझ सकते हैं कि पुलिस का अप्रोच कैसा करने का है, किसको फोन करने का है, किसका हेल्प लेने का है. Then what we are supposed to do? We approach so many NGOs. They are also getting ready to help us. So these NGOs are working, the different NGOs are working in different fields. Some of the NGOs are working so far the child labor are concerned. Some of them are working in the field of child begging is concerned. Some are working in red light area like IGM and all that. So we have to take the help of these all NGOs and find out how many people are required, a need, help. The Tata Institute of Social Sciences have conducted the survey in Mumbai and published a report that more than 33,000 children are staying on the roads of Mumbai. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा आंकड़ा है. So many people are kept as a bonded labor, and in all these small scale industries, देखो चप्पल बनाने वाले छोटे छोटे कारखाने, जरी काम वाले छोटे छोटे कारखाने, वहाँ बच्चे हैं, होटल्स में हैं, उन सबको रेस्क्यू करने का है। One of the child who was rescued from this नागपड़ा, उसको बोला नाम क्या है, नाम बताया, कहाँ से आया, गुजरात से आया, कौन सी जगह, सूरत। अरे फिर सूरत में उधर काम करने का था, इधर क्यों आया? सूरत में पुलिस कहाँ काम करने देती है बच्चे लोग को? So see his belief. अगर पुलिस उसको काम करने नहीं देती है, that means the law is implemented there forcefully. अगर बच्चे का वो बिलीफ है कि अब पुलिस उधर काम करने नहीं देगी, तो इसका मतलब महाराष्ट्र इज द सेम प्लेस, कोई भी आओ काम करो चलो। सो वी आर द पीपल, वी हैव टू यूनाइट, वी हैव टू टेक सम इनिशिएटिव एंड स्टार्ट सर्चिंग फॉर दीज ऑल पीपल। अभी हमने तो एक बार वो भी देखा है कि वो बच्चे लोग को जो बाहर से लाते हैं, वो एक बार वो वेल्डिंग मतलब ग्रेड वो लगाया CST स्टेशन, तो और एक ट्रेन भर के बच्चे, एक पूरे बोगी में बच्चे भरे हुए हैं, और वेस्ट बंगाल से आई हुई ट्रेन है। सारे बच्चे लोग को जो वो ले लिया हिरासत में, तो पता चला कि उनको अंडर द डिफरेंट प्रेटेक्स्ट दे वर ब्रॉट टू मुंबई। एंड देन यहाँ तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी होता है, लाने वाले लोग अलग हैं, बेचने वाले अलग हैं, उनको एक्चुअली काम पे लगाने वाले, काम कुछ भी हुए, बेगिंग का हुए या लेबर का हुए, काम पे लगाने वाले लोग अलग हैं, उनको बेचते हैं, उनको खरीदा जाता है, उसका ऑक्शन होता है। अभी ऑक्शन के लिए फिर जो द पीपल दोज हु आर इंटेंट टू परचेज दिस चिल्ड्रन, उसका एक ऑक्शन लगता है, कोई भी जगह पे वो होता है, और ये सब जगह पे वो लोग को मालूम पड़ता है। अभी वो जैसा दारू का धंधा है, तो वो सब लोग को जिनको पीने का उनको मालूम है कहाँ मिलेगा। जिधर जुआ खेलने का है तो वो आपको मालूम नहीं होगा, आपके घर के बाजू में होगा, लेकिन आपको मालूम नहीं होगा कि आपके घर के बाजू में जुआ का धंधा, जुआ चलता है, मगर दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इनटू दैट दे फाइंड इट। सो द पीपल दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन परचेसिंग और जस्ट getting these points, they know who are the people involved in this and where ऑक्शन कब लगने वाला है, किधर लगने वाला है, कैसा खरीदी होगा, कितने तक बच्चा मिलेगा, वो सब होता है। बट नाउ as per the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court, now the police have started registering the cases of kidnapping if the child goes missing who is below 14 years of age. So after registration of the case, the police are initiating investigation and trying to trace the child on the basis of various information collected by them as a part of investigation and tracing. Still, 10% of children are not traced. So ये 10% जो ट्रेस नहीं हुए हैं, उसका भी आंकड़ा आज का तारीख में so far Mumbai is concerned, it is more than 3,500. The government, the central government, they have launched a website, Track a Missing Child. The state government also serious about these missing people. So many NGOs are always doing this job day and night at various places, including railways. So this all mechanism is on the basis of the physical work. खुद खड़े रहते हैं स्टेशन पे जो बच्चे घूमते हैं उनको पकड़ते हैं, पूछते हैं, जो रेड लाइट एरिया में जो बच्चे मिलते हैं उनको भी पकड़ते हैं, पूछते हैं, हिरासत में लेते हैं, पुलिस का हेल्प लेते हैं, देन CWC के सामने उनको प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। प्रोड्यूस करने के बाद में उनको अपने अपने माँ बाप के पास में पहुंचाने का बंदोबस्त करते हैं। Now, in spite of this all efforts taken by the central government, the state government, so many NGOs and the members of public like us, still the number of missing people is so large. So for the police and you, now I would like to request you people कि क्या कर सकते हैं हम। अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि रियली दिस इज द जॉब यू कैन डू एंड गेट द अल्टीमेट सेटिस्फैक्शन बाय ट्रेसिंग अ सिंगल चाइल्ड एंड टेकिंग हिम टू हिज पेरेंट, तो उसके लिए आपको या तो कोई एनजीओ के साथ में जुड़ जाना चाहिए, या तो फिर पुलिस को जो भी आप देखते हैं घर से ऑफिस जाने के रास्ते पे, या कहीं भी अगर आप फैमिली के साथ में भी अगर कहीं घूम रहे हैं और आपको ऐसे स्टैंडर्ड बच्चे अगर नज़र आते हैं, तो उनके बारे में आप नियरेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन और एटलीस्ट द कंट्रोल रूम बाय डायलिंग 100 यू कैन गिव द इंफॉर्मेशन। One, if you are little serious, so you can take a photograph of such a child and upload it on this particular website, which is helping us to match the children or the missing person with the data stored in on this website. इंडिया में मतलब पूरे भारतवर्ष में आज 13,700 प्लस या 14,000 प्लस पुलिस स्टेशन अभी हैं। The data we have to collect it. We are just collecting it and uploading on this, and the number of missing people is more than 2 lakhs across India. तो हमें काम करने का कितना मौका है, बहुत बड़ा। और करने का क्या है, हमें पूरे जिंदगी में एक बच्चे को उसके माँ बाप के साथ में मिलवा देने का है। फिर उसके बाद में आपको कोई मंदिर में हार भी नारियल चढ़ाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं। Because the happiness. So I would like to also tell you that the railways, they have also developed a very nice website that is a short, but the photographs of these people, those who are meeting with some accidents and all that, they are uploaded with the particulars of this on this show. We have also taken an initiative or considering this particular website, they have also successfully traced thousands of people, and because and then this the people अपना show while discussing this show, he will explain you how they have developed it, how useful it is. But finally, we will have to take an initiative on our own. Take the help of the people, those who are interested in getting this work done. Make them to understand how noble job this is. क्योंकि ये जिसका बच्चा गुम हो जाता है, उसका अगर ऑडियो आप सुनते हैं तो वो तो बताता है, क्योंकि उसने तो रिकॉर्ड जैसा किया होगा। अभी तक उसने वो हजारों लोगों को बताया होगा कि मेरा बच्चा कैसा मिसिंग हुआ है, तो उसको तो आदत होगा बताने का कि मिसिंग कैसा हुआ है। लेकिन वो जो तरीके से बताता है, वो देख के हमको रोना आता है, उतना दुख है उसके अंदर। उसको रिलीज करने के लिए हम अगर कुछ मदद करते हैं तो तो उतना पुण्य, उतना हैप्पीनेस हमको मिल सकता है। सेकेंडली और लास्ट, उसमें कई सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं, रीजंस माँ बाप अगर घर में रोज झगड़ा करते हैं तो बच्चे कंटाल के निकल जाते हैं, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो टेकन केयर ऑफ। झगड़ा न होए, अगर आजू बाजू में कहीं झगड़ा हो रहा है तो उनको समझाने की कोशिश करें। देन कई बच्चे ऐसे हैं कि दे आर नॉट टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय देयर स्टेप मदर स्टेप फादर, सो वो भाग जाते हैं। कई बच्चे लोग को शौक है कि हम मुंबई जैसे शहर में चले जाएं, फिल्मों में काम करें, वो पे निकल जाते हैं। और कई बच्चे लोग को भगाया जाता है और रैंसम। तो हमें वो ध्यान रखना है कि अगर हमारे आजू बाजू में ऐसा कोई नया बच्चा आया, नया मतलब वो अगर वो किसी के हाथ में कल तक बच्चा नहीं था, आज आया है, तो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट वेदर उसको कहीं से कोई भगा के लेके आके तो नहीं रखा है। ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट, ट्राई टू ट्रेस इट, ट्राई टू रिपोर्ट इट, इट विल हेल्प अस। एंड मैं आपको हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना कर सकता हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ कि प्लीज डू दिस जॉब, प्लीज ट्राई टू रेस्क्यू one child in our whole life, that will be enough for the society. Thank you.